Hey guys, I wanted to quickly go over the AquaPac we've been using for the Baptistry BeltPack lately. Just want to make sure that everybody knows how to use it. If we look at it, you can't see it, but there's a hook inside of this little clip here. We want to make sure that the cable is in that hook and coming straight down into the pack. We want to keep it away from the latches so that it doesn't get pinched. To latch this, you just flip these over, tightens down on it. If you, at the end of Sunday when we're done using it, you'll want to undo those latches because there's foam in there that keeps the water out, kind of compresses around that cable. If we leave that latched, that foam will wear out quicker. So we want to make sure that we're unlatching those when we're not using it. Next thing is putting your belt pack in. Make sure you turn it on. Plug it in. Slide it down in here. Same thing. We want to make sure that we're keeping these cables out of the way. So it kind of takes a little bit of finagling, but kind of get your cable tucked down in there, and then you wrap. Make sure you kind of just gently coil the antenna. We don't want to like bend the antenna in half, but just gently rolling it up, kind of tucking it down in there, getting it out of the way of these latches. Once you get that, squeeze it shut, roll your latches, and you're watertight.